Hey guys, it's me, Eric, again. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get started with affiliate marketing, especially with zero money down. So it's going to be everything for free, and it's especially good one for beginners. Everybody keeps asking me the same question as far as how do I get started. I'm just a beginner. I don't know where to start, and I have no money. So more than welcome to tell you all about it and some of the techniques that I used to get started when I first started making money online as well. So, public announcement: if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. This channel is all about me giving tips and techniques on how to make money online, and also do reviews on products and courses that help entrepreneurs like you and I make more money, make our lives easier, etc. So the reviews that I do, you could check them out and you can see, hey, if it's going to help you with your business, feel free. I always provide the link for you so you could get a discount, and or I always give some bonuses exclusively just to my subscribers as well. So, all right, so let's get right into it. Punch you right in the mouth with some information. So here we go. All right, so to get started with affiliate marketing, you have to get mentally prepared. What I mean by that is that you want to think about what's going to happen in the next few months, because this is going to be a marathon, not a sprint. So you have to have patience. Don't think that you're gonna do a few links here and there and you're gonna start making thousands of dollars where you could quit your job. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to put some work in it, be patient, let it sit, marinate, if you will, and let it take its course, and trust in the process, okay? And also, once you start making some money, don't stop there. Don't be satisfied. You got to continue to do it. You got to see what's working for you, so you could double down on what's working, so you could double it, triple it, quadruple it, and keep on going so you can scale up. Okay. And then once you master the free advertising sources, then you could start going into paid advertising, because now you know your numbers, you know what works and what doesn't. Okay. So that's being mentally prepared. Second thing is that you want to pick a niche. Make sure you pick a niche that is something that you like, that you have some type of interest in, because if you don't, your results are going to show and it's going to suck. Just think about you going to a job that you hate doing. It's very difficult, especially if you're going to be doing blogs, if you're going to be doing YouTube videos. It's going to be more difficult for you to make content because you hate it, you don't like it, and you just despise it, okay? So make sure it's something that you like. It could be weight, it could be sports, it could be woodworking, it could be making money, it could be, I don't know, making videos, just selling, I don't know, model airplanes, cars, whatever you like to do. Think about it, write it down, think about some things that you like to do, and then start scattering the internet as far as for affiliate marketing networks, such as like ClickBank and Jvzoo and Warrior Forum, and there's a bunch of other ones, hundreds of them, but the two top ones are, especially for beginners that are easier to promote, is ClickBank and then Jvzoo as well. I like ClickBank because it's super easy. You make an account, you go into the marketplace, you choose your niche, and then you start looking at the products that are there to sell, and they give you, how much you're going to get paid. They give you, if they have a JV, which is JV page where you could go and they have a lot of marketing promo stuff for you to use, especially for the emails. It's already pre-written. All you do is change your name, put your link on there so you could get credit for the sale, and just copy and paste it and put it and send out emails to your email list. They have the banners designed, they have all kinds of stuff. It's like done for you already. It's proven, it's tested, and it's good to go. So that's the good thing about ClickBank. Jvzoo, kind of the same thing, but it's a little harder, if you will, because you could see when products are coming out, which is a good thing, which is an advantage over ClickBank, because ClickBank, it just comes out and then you're ready to promote. But with Jvzoo, you can see the promo date as far as when it's going to start, and also you have to, once you pick a product, you have to get approved for it. So usually they ask you a few questions like, how are you going to promote the product? You put how you're going to promote it, and then you wait a little bit, you get accepted, and then you can start selling. Another good thing about Jvzoo is that they give you stats as far as if it's already been out for a little bit. They'll show you the conversion rates, what your EPC, which is earning per click, is, what the refund rate is, etc., etc. All the numbers that you need. That is especially good for if you're going to do paid advertising. But if you're doing free, just go with something that you like, just to get your feet wet and get the ball rolling, okay? So I would recommend do ClickBank first because it's super easy. You just pick whichever one you want and you start promoting, and then you go to Jvzoo because you start seeing the numbers and you know what works, and you can start doing paid advertising, and you get better results with that, and then you continue from there. All right, so once we got that, then you want to set up your sales funnel. Sales funnel is super easy. All you want to do is go to get response, which is an email platform, and they give you a 30-day trial where you could use pretty much like 98% of all the features that they have, which means that you could set up your email list. You could set up your landing page, your squeeze page that gathers all the emails and puts them in your list, and then automatically sends them emails out right away, and automatically. So it's kind of like an automation thing. And that's what I was telling you, as far as you have to be patient, because it's going to take a little bit. Generally, it takes anywhere from 3 to 6 months for the one person to purchase something. So please be patient and put them in that automated sequence. That's the good thing, because it doesn't take much work. That's why you see a lot of gurus say, I only work 2 hours a day, 1 hour a day. It's just setting up campaigns so they could get the leads into their email list, and then the email list automatically sends them the emails, the autoresponders. Super easy. Then also with GetResponse, you could also design your landing page. Landing page is super easy. You just drag, drop, add colors, add text, and super easy. You don't need any kind of HTML coding, any of that mumbo jumbo, so no experience needed on that one. Once you set that up, then you could start implementing the free traffic sources. So now this is what it's going to look like. You're going to get traffic from the free traffic sources is going to go to your squeeze page, and from the squeeze page, the emails go into your auto response, so it's automatically going to be sending out emails. Now, in real time, once they submit their email, then you send them to the thank you page. Say, sometimes I put videos on there. I kind of test if I put a video or do not put a video to see which one it converts higher. But I just kind of introduce myself. Hey, my name is Eric. Thank you for subscribing to my email. You're going to be getting this, 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 and this in your email, so be on the lookout for that. And then I put a button on the side to click here to go to whatever product that you're promoting, the main idea of it. So if it's weight loss, click here to see your weight loss program. They click the button and then they go to the sales page. You may get a few sales here and there in live when they go to the sales page, but where you get most of your sales is when they go into your email list and it's in your auto email sequence. Okay, so be patient. I can't say that enough. Be patient, because a lot of people give up. They try to send traffic directly to the sales page and they get no sales because it's like 0.3% on conversions, and they're like, this is a scam, this shit don't work, forget about it. It works. Trust me. A lot of people, especially me, are making a lot of money, and they're making a living off of this. Some people are millionaires doing this stuff. Okay, so it definitely works. You just have to do it right. Okay, so once you have your sales funnel there, all good to go. Now it's time to get some traffic. Now, the first thing obviously is social media. You don't have to put it on your social media, your personal social media. You could simply just make a fan page or make a business page and start getting followers. To get followers is super easy. You could go to other fan pages, promote your page. Also, you could do simple, you could post an ad or post a, just like, hey, my name is Bob, and my channel is about weight loss and green berry juice or something like that. I don't know, just giving you an example. And then it automatically says, do you want to boost this? And you say yes. You could spend like $10 if you want to. Spend $10 and then it'll ask you what is the main objective of this ad, and you could put to get likes. Simple as that. And you'll start getting likes for like cents. You'll start getting like a penny, 2 pennies, 5 cents at most you'll start getting. So imagine if you put like $20, you get over 1,000 people to follow you, and then now you have an audience. Now you want to put out content to where it's valuable to them and help them. For instance, again, if it's losing weight, so you want to help them to lose weight, and it kind of weave your link in there or your promotion, your affiliate product in there. So therefore they're like, okay, this guy is really trying to help me out, and I'm excited. I could lose weight, Okay, he knows what he's talking about. All right, let me check out this product that he has. Boom, clicks your link. They, and then they see that, and they see the product, they see the sales page, and then they eventually will buy. So you see, so what you're doing there is that you're establishing a following, and then you're establishing a relationship, and you're kind of molding them and kind of massaging them, and getting them to like you, trust you, and to know you, obviously. Because think about it, when you first meet a girl, you just don't say, hey, you want to marry me? No, you talk to them, you go out on dates, time goes by. Then you start dating officially, then you get married, then you have kids, etc. There's steps to it. You just don't meet someone the first day like, hey, will you marry me, have a kid, and let's buy a house and so forth. So no, you got to mold them and massage them and get to know them and trust them. Same concept. So keep that in mind, and that goes all to be patient. Be patient. Please be patient, and don't give up, and trust in the process. Okay. All right. So sorry, I kind of went off a little subject there, but I just want to make that very clear. So social media is the first thing. The second thing is that you could go to question and answer websites like Quora. Quora, you could go on there, like for instance, again, if we're doing weight loss, you go in there and you see, oh man, how do I lose weight? Or what is the best product to lose weight healthy and quickly, and then you could go in there and actually answer the question, do a little research, or you could probably get it from your the actual sales page, where there might be like something scientifically, so you could see or seem like what you're talking about. Kind of answer their question and kind of weave that scientific fact about it, and then put in, by the way, this has helped me and it's helped millions of people lose weight, effectively and healthy, and etc. To pretty much answer their question, and put the link. Boom, there you go. And you could do that a few times a day, and it works really, really well, because you are answering their question professionally, and you put a few facts in there, scientifically, if you will, or if you researched it, and they will, people will say, okay, he knows what he's talking about. Cool. So they trust you. Boom. And then they go straight to your squeeze page, so you could put them in your sequence, and then they go into the sales page for your product that you're promoting. All right. So question and answer websites, they work very well. Social media works very well. And the next thing is, let's see. Oh, blogging. Blogging is pretty cool too. And that takes a little time too. Just keep in mind, all the free marketing or the free advertising sources here, they do take a little time. So the search engines start ranking them. So it does take a little time. So keep that in mind. So with blogging, you could simply just write a few blogs about, a specific thing of the product. So if it's weight loss, again, you could say, lose a lot of weight fast. This is how. And then you write about that. Lose a lot of weight healthy, the healthy way. Write about that. So you could kind of break it down and put blog posts on that. Now, if you're not a good writer, you don't want to write, you could simply go to Fiverr.com, and you could get someone to write, a simple 500 to 1,000 word blog post for you for like $5, and then you could post it on there, and then sprinkle your affiliate link here and there, and then make sure that you put pictures and maybe another video from YouTube, or maybe from the JV page that they have. Sometimes they have videos, or the actual video that they have on the sales page. Put that on there, and just make it entertaining. Make it seem like you know exactly what you're talking about. Therefore, they click on the link and go, and they you can get their email, put them in your sequence, and then you send them to the sales page. All right. So Quora.com, that's a good one. Also, I don't know. I haven't done that in a while, but I don't know if Yahoo Answers is still around. But there's a lot of other question and answer websites. Just do a simple Google search, sign up for them, and then just start answering questions, and do it ethically, if you will. Just don't say, hey, here's my link, check this out. No. You want to actually be genuine about it, okay? So that's that. And then also, when you get your link from Jvzoo or from ClickBank, it's going to be super long. So you definitely want to make it shorter, so that way it looks cleaner and more professional. You can go to bit.ly.com and do the link shortener on that. That way it looks nice and professional, and you could also see the tracking on that as well. Okay. And then again, you already know, you're on it right now. You're watching my video, which is youtube.com. It's huge. Okay. You could simply just make videos with Google Slides. Google Slides is like PowerPoint. You could simply just make, maybe like 5 or 10 slides, put a few text, few pictures, and just record yourself talking. And then, just go through the slides. Super simple. You don't even have to put your face on YouTube. And also, if you don't have something to record your screen, you could go to screenomatic.com, where it's a free trial. You could do it up to 10 minutes, and it records your screen and your voice. So you could do hundreds of videos like that, and it works. It really works. You don't have to put your face on it. But I will tell you, if you do put your face on there, your conversions are much higher because it's more personal, if you will. They see who they're talking to, and they see their face and so forth. Okay, so social media, question and answer, websites, YouTube, and blogging. Those are the most important things that are most effective. Just put them into work. You could do it for like 5 to 6 hour days, or if you want faster results, do it for 8 hours a day. And I promise you, just do it for at least 90 days and you'll start seeing results. Okay, and then you want to keep track of everything, what's working and what's not working, because once you figure out what's working, then you could double down on it and continue to work with that method there. And you could also start doing paid advertising, that'll be another video. Actually, I already have a video on that, but I'll make another one for more sources as far as for paid advertising. Okay, so I'll put it in the links in the description and below, and so you can see everything that we've just talked about. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, if you got value, give me a thumbs up. If not, then I will see you later.